Welcome to a brand new video here today, and this is a super exciting one. We'll be taking a look at Bitmart and two of their special campaigns running. First off is their massive XRP airdrop, and additionally we can also stake the BMX token to support the Doge X listing. Before we do dive any further though, remember the normal disclaimer that nothing in today's video should be taken as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Treat this video strictly for educational purposes. So Bitmart is one of the top crypto exchanges here. Of course, you can buy and sell crypto. We have different markets you can trade. Of course, all of the standard pairs you'd be looking for. And actually they do have a lot of listings. As we can see here, we have Doge X, for example. Then we have the futures trading, we've got copy trading, also an earn system so you can stake directly with Bitmart and have NFT marketplaces and more. So a lot of this, of course, will be on the Bitmart socials, so it's a great idea to go and drop them a follow over on X/Twitter and join the Telegram group for all of the new promotions and everything they have going on. So the first thing I want to take a look at here is the Bitmart XRP massive airdrop. So I'm sure you guys have probably seen XRP recently. We can actually take a look at the chart. Has absolutely been booming, as we can see on the daily chart. From pretty much the start of November, the coin has gone crazy. Finally, those XRP holders have been rewarded, and Bitmart are celebrating XRP reaching all-time highs, giving away 10,000 USDT worth of XRP. So it is a $10,000 XRP airdrop for Europe and Brazil. So this campaign running December 3rd to the 10th. If you do not have an account, of course, you can create one to join Bitmart here today and dive right into the action. So here, of course, we have the form. It's pretty simple to enter. You need to sign up to a Bitmart account, deposit any tokens over 50 USDT during the campaign period, spot trade XRP tokens over 100 USDT during the period, and again, your reward total is $20 in XRP total. So again, it's pretty simple. You just need to do a deposit here and then spot trade over 100 USDT worth of tokens. So again, you can simply just buy the XRP tokens and sell them afterwards, and that will qualify you, which is great. But of course, XRP, well, we've seen kind of the price action over the past month. It's not a bad hold, really. I feel like the old altcoins from the previous cycles have finally caught up. And again, as Bitcoin dominance will start to drop and we move into alt season, these will be looking great. Additionally, we have another promotion here. You can stake the BMX tokens to support the Doge X listing. So stake BMX, earn rewards and share transactional fees. So you can join now. So Doge X was inspired by Elon Musk's endorsement of Dogecoin, and it's a meme coin. So you can have this event from December 9th to December 16th here. So again, stake BMX to listing. So here in the BMX pool, we have the Doge X going up to listing here. We can see you get a 5% APR for a 90-day lock here with BMX tokens. So again, a very nice kind of bonus to support the listing. Additionally, if we do take a look at Bitmart X account here, they have many promotions. So they had a Magic Eden giveaway here. If we go down, of course, just new listings for many different tokens. So again, Bitmart, if there's a new hot token, they will be one of the first to list it, which is a great way to get very nice entries on all of these different tokens here. As we can see, we've had ARC, we had the likes of Blue, Mana, Coty. They actually had a 30% off flash sale on a launch pad with XRP. So a lot going on. Again, if we actually take a look on the exchange in the promotions tab here, in the event center, you can take a look. What I want to touch on now is actually their trading competition here. So make crypto great again, their futures trading competition, a share of a 100,000 USDT prize pool. So here we can see the prize pool currently at 26,000. And as the total trading volume increases, it actually unlocks more of the prize pool, which is really awesome. You can see so far over $348 million in trading volume. Again, this is in futures. So the prizes we have for this is 10K for first place, 5k for second place, 2k for third place, 1k for fourth place, and 500 for fifth place. And here we can see the trading of volume ranking. So remember, this is based on trading volume. So we can see some absolutely huge numbers. And of course, you can go through the list and see how people rank here. Of course, we have the sign up, competition, and then prize distribution. So again, it's really nice, the events that Bitmart have going on. Again, in the promotion event center, you can take a look at everything happening on the exchange, which again, there's a lot going on. They also have an 1,000 ambassador wanted. If you want to be a part of Bitmart futures here, you can take a look for these further details, but make sure you do get involved with that XRP airdrop happening, again, up to 10k USDT. We have that trading competition, and again, a lot going on with Bitmart. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you all have enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.